Welcome back to Profitify, where we unravel the world of investing. In today's session, we're delving into the fascinating journey of turning your first $1,000 into a stepping stone for your financial future. So, buckle up and brace yourself for an enlightening ride through the avenues of smart investing. Imagine a tiny seed in your hand. It may seem insignificant at first, but given the right conditions, it can grow into a mighty tree. Your first $1,000 is that seed. It holds the potential to grow into a substantial financial asset, provided it's nurtured with informed decisions and strategic investments. The first step to harnessing the power of your $1,000 is setting clear, achievable goals. Whether it's a down payment for a new home, a comfortable retirement, or that dream vacation, having a clear vision of what you're investing for serves as a compass, guiding your investment decisions towards your desired destination. Next comes understanding your risk tolerance. Much like a thrilling roller coaster ride, investing too comes with its ups and downs. It's essential to identify your comfort level with these fluctuations to align your investments accordingly. This way, your journey towards achieving your financial goals becomes not only rewarding but also enjoyable. Now, diving into the core of investing your first $1,000, consider starting with a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These funds provide a broad exposure to a range of assets, thereby mitigating risk while still promising potential returns. Remember, investing is not a sprint, but a marathon. It requires patience, discipline, and consistency. You might not witness immediate results, but that doesn't mean your investments aren't working. Stick to your plan, keep your eyes on your goals, and let the magic of compounding unfold over time. In conclusion, turning your first $1,000 into a powerful investment is a journey of strategic planning, understanding risk, and making informed decisions. It's about planting your seed, nurturing it with knowledge and patience, and watching it grow into a strong financial tree. So, if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Profitify for more insightful advice on mastering the art of smart investing. Until next time, keep investing and keep growing.